So how do we draw a basic line in Autocad? So we will start by clicking the icon for line. Then we will click the first point. As you can read in the command line, let's specify the first point of a line. So we know that 2 points will define a line. So next is specify the next point of the line. Now the AutoCAD will always prompt you to draw another line. If you want to end or stop drawing, you can press escape. And that is drawing a basic line in AutoCAD. Let's draw again. I will click line, then click the first point, second point, third point, and then last, then press escape. The next method is you can use the command to draw line. So the command for line is L. So you type L, you press your keyboard L, then enter. Then it will ask you to specify the first point of the line. That's it. If you are done, you can press escape or enter once. Okay, so that is how you draw a basic line in AutoCAD. Now, how do you select an object in AutoCAD? So basically, we have to know how to select an object in AutoCAD, since the select is used when you are moving an object or deleting an object. You have to select first the object. So the first method in the selection of objects in AutoCAD is by directly clicking on the object. I will click here on this object. If you hover your cursor on this object, it will highlight and will give the definition of the object. So in my object here is the line. So if I will click that, it will change the color to blue, highlighted to blue color. Then that is how you select object. Let's select more object without pressing shift. Okay, now if you want to deselect an object, you can press shift. I will press shift and then select the object. Notice the sign negative if you hover your cursor with shift while pressing shift. So if I will click that object, it will deselect. And that is how you select an object in AutoCAD. Now the next method in selection of object is by creating a selection box. This is used when you are selecting multiple objects at once. So if I will click on the upper left and then lower right, notice it will create a selection box highlighted by blue color. Now the lines or the objects which are highlighted will be selected. So I will click here. That's it. Or you can click from right to left. Now what's the difference between clicking starting from left to right and right to left? Okay, I will press escape to deselect all. Now if I will click on from the left to right, it will select only objects which are fully enclosed by the selection box. Notice some of the lines here are not fully enclosed. by the selection box, so it will not be selected. If I will click here, that's it. Now if I will try from the right to left, even if the line or the object is not fully enclosed but it is being hit by the selection box, it will be selected. That's it. That's how you select an object in AutoCAD. The next lesson will be how do we delete an object. Okay, so to delete an object, the first method is to select the object and then press delete. That's it. I will select this object again and then delete, or I will select a group of object and then delete. You can press Ctrl Z to undo and Ctrl Y to redo. Okay, this still works here in AutoCAD. Ctrl Z for undo. Now the next method is to use the shortcut, the command for delete. So the command is erase, so you type E and then press enter, then select the objects you want to delete. It will select. You have to select the objects, so the objects that turn to gray are selected objects which are about to be deleted. So once you are done selecting objects you want to delete, you press enter, and that's it. That's how you delete an objects in AutoCAD. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel for the following lessons. Thank you.